Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. This thing here. So I went to the doctor today and I either have a pinched nerve or a disc out of place. Now I injured myself, not doing anything cool. It wasn't like, oh, I was playing volleyball and I dove for the ball and I won the game. No. Or it wasn't something adventurous like, I went skydiving or bungee jumping and injured myself. No, it was. Are you ready for it? I looked to the right at my husband. And that was it. So I injured myself by just turning to the right. When I did that, I felt something like immediately, like this instant pain. And it's shooting down my arm and my fingers are numb. So it's like, seriously? I injured myself just looking to the right. So when I'm feeling down or in pain, what do? I play with makeup and it makes me feel a whole lot better. So today I am going to play with the Fenty Beauty Bomb Posse palette, and this has 6 shimmers and 6 matte shades. So the color names are listed on the back, and once again my OCD is kicking in. Can they not put the sticker on straight? I mean, come on. So the reason I wanted to try this eyeshadow palette was because I have the Fenty foundation. I have the soft matte and the hydrating longwear, and I love both of them. So I thought, well, if those are good, maybe the eyeshadow's good. So I created this eyeshadow look using 3 of the mattes and 3 of the shimmers. So if you want to see how I created this look and all the eye swatches and what my final thoughts are on this palette, then first make sure you're subscribed and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video.
What?
I'm not done.
What? I need to practice.
Yeah, I'm still doing my video. All right. Here are the swatches of all the mattes. These 4 look really good. These 2 over here, you can barely see. This one you can't see at all because it matches my skin color. Boy!
What?
I'm still not done. No, I'm still not done.
When are you done?
I said give me like 5 minutes.
It's been 3 minutes.
Okay, well I said 5. All right. Here are all the shimmers. So this has 2 pink shimmers, 3 orange shade shimmers, and then a brown shimmer. All right, here we go. The first color I'm going to use is Senna Butter. So I'm going to use this color as my transition color, and this has a beautiful golden undertone to it. The next color I'm going to use is Rockin' Rose. So I'm going to use this as my crease color, and just like the name says, this is a rose shade, and it is beautiful. And because I have hooded eyes and you usually can't see much of my lid unless I blink, I like to put a lot of color down in my crease because this is the main area that you can actually see when you're looking at my eyes. So my husband took me to the doctor and he sat out in the car. And when I came out, I had this thing on and I was trying to be all cutesy and be like, look at me, I'm hot stuff. And what I did not know was there was a curb. And so I'm walking and I basically stepped right off the curb and I almost fell and wiped out. So I was like, good going, Amber. Let's hurt ourselves even more. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some concealer on my lid. This is another trick you can do to make those glittery eyeshadows stick to that lid. So I'm just going to put it on my hand. Of course, I picked a concealer where there's like nothing in here. Then I have a flat little detail brush. And now I'm just going to put it on my lid. Next, I'm going to use the color Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to use this color on the outside third of my eye. So this color in the pan, and when I swatch it, looks like a red toned brown. But here on my eye, it just looks like a dark brown. So now I'm moving on to the color Fussy, which is a shimmer pink. So I'm going to wet my brush with a setting spray so that color is more vibrant. Now I'm going to use the color Ballerina. This is another shimmer pink, and I'm going to spray this as well and put this on the inner third of the eye. The shade Fussy and the shade Ballerina look very similar, and I didn't like it that there wasn't much distinction, so they kind of blended together. Now onto the shade Get This Bread. And this is going to go in the outer corner of the eye on a rounded brush. So I lost a lot of the pink, so I'm going to use the shade Ballerina and go back over the lid again. That was this color. Now I'm going to go back to this color. Now I'm going to go back to the crease shade and blend the harsh lines. And as usual, I'm taking that Q-tip with lotion on it and cleaning up that line. Here is the final look, and here's the final look with all the makeup on. So my final thoughts on this palette. I think if you love pinks and neutrals, you're going to love this palette. I think they are beautiful colors. But $48, I think you can find the same colors in palettes for way, way less. Well, thank you for watching this video. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.